Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Mary the Share Lady. Today I want to work on my small kitchen. It's already night time. Basically I want to do some cleaning and organizing. But before I get to do all that, I want to fumigate the kitchen because I have unwanted guests. Prep the space for fumigation. I'm going to remove all the utensils, everything that is here, the food stuff, the utensils, and put them into the sitting room. So the kitchen is all clear. Yeah, the cabinets are empty. The cooker, the fridge will stay, the microwave and the washing machine will stay. So my husband will be helping with the fumigating. Of course, he has to wear a mask, a filtering mask. This is what we have, and then this is what he's using, for the fumigation. I don't know if you can see the name, and here are the guidelines. So it comes with the guidelines on how to dilute the mix. So because we are home, we have put this paper here to block, the air from flowing to the other rooms, like the living room or the bedroom. Also, I'll be closing off this door during the fumigation process. I'll cover the bottom there. I'll cover here with a rag, with a wet rag. I'll tightly do that after closing the door. This is just to try to avoid having the air flow to the other rooms. Another measure that I'll be taking to protect ourselves, I'll leave the living room windows open. Also, because my washroom is right here, I'll leave that window wide open and the door, so that the air in the other rooms, the fresh air, can flow freely in the other rooms. Yeah, it's good to take precaution. It's very important to take a precaution with these chemicals, because when you inhale them, or even when they come into contact with your skin, it's not a good thing. So it's the next morning. You can already see that the fumigation is working. There are some casualties. So we have some casualties, several of them. So these are casualties. Another one here. And another one over there. Since there's still that smell, it's not strong, but it's still there. I will leave the window and the door open for a few more hours, and then later on I will do some thorough cleaning. To clean the appliances, the cooker, the fridge, I'm using powder soap and a bit of jig. Here I have warm water. So for the window and the door I cleaned earlier. This is what I used. Yeah, so let me take this opportunity to welcome our first time viewers, and to the new subscribers, welcome to the family. Also to the returning viewers, thank you so much for always supporting my content. For those who don't know me, I'm Mary the Share Lady. I'm a wife and a mom of 2. I do a lot of videos on cooking, cleaning, organizing, and also I do product reviews. So if you're into this kind of content, be sure to hit the subscribe button so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. In the attempt of trying to open up the kitchen space because it's too small, I'm removing this kitchen table from the kitchen. It serves some purpose but not that much. I feel like I can replace it with something else because I feel it takes too much of a space. So let's see how it's all going to work out. So I'm finally done with cleaning the cabinets, the shelves and the floors. So I'll just jump right into organizing. The way this kitchen was built, there's not so much of storage, so I decided to add the 2 shelves for extra storage. For this space here, I moved the fridge from there to here where the table was. My washing machine will come back to its usual place because I cannot leave it outside. So for this space, I'm thinking of borrowing that ladder shelf over there, the one I use for decor in the living room. I just want to try and see how it's going to work on this space. If it goes well, it stays. If it doesn't work, I'll have to put back the table and think of something else, but at the moment that is what I'm thinking. I'm finally done with the cleaning, the organizing. So let me give you a quick look on what I've been able to achieve. So the pots will remain over there. Up there I have more containers, water bottles, the baking stuff. So here we have the ladder shelf. The good thing I like about a ladder shelf, you can have it anywhere. So I'll give myself time to think, to see if it will continue to stay there or I will find something else. So this one I've really loved the way it has turned out. You know, having the fruits over here, on top of the fridge. I've been able to achieve what I was trying to achieve. I always change my mind, so I don't know what I'll be doing next, so stay on this channel. Thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. Remember to subscribe to help grow my channel and my content, and to help grow this family, share, like. Also leave me a comment, and I will be seeing you on the next video.